Hello everyone, this is Bizzy Izzy here, and I want to show you something that I used to set up an online business that let me quit my 9 to 5 so I didn't have to work anymore. It's called VIP Bots, VIP Bot Club. Now, I'm sure that most of you have heard about email marketing, send emails, market through emailing, and that's all well and good, but bots are the future, just to put it simply. And Aiden Corkery has discovered and invented this system that allows you to use bots, the mini chat bots in Facebook, in place of emails to develop and set up a successful online business. Now, even if you have no idea what's going on or what you're doing, he's a great help, and he is even willing to do the work for you and set the business up for you, so you can just start profiting within 24 hours, practically. And it's not just him that's saying this. Look at all these testimonials. And best of all, you can even get started right now for only $1. That's right, just $1. And it works. I can tell you it works. Aiden Corkery's system works. Bots are the future, basically. Now, this inside the bot club, you will see the 24-hour campaign commissions. It shows you how to set everything up by yourself if you want to go at it yourself. And best of all, you can do it using just either free services or very, very cheap services on the internet. Everything from domain, web hosting, WordPress, you name it. These are all the tools that are required to set this up. But like I said, they're either free or very, very cheap. And these are the training videos to set this up yourself. You're going to need a WordPress account, which is free, like I said. A lot of free things. Take action. And you can even sign up for the optional one-on-one coaching. I can test for you. It's worth it. Speaking with Aiden Corkery is worth it. And he even includes a lot of bonuses. Now, obviously, you're going to need traffic. Well, the great thing is that Aiden went through all the trouble of finding you the best traffic sources. Here they are. Guy Potok, Kevin Liax, and Wayne Crow. These are the best people to buy traffic from. I've worked with Guy Potok before. He's a great source of traffic. And this is all at a discount, meaning you don't have to pay the full price. You're paying a big discount through Aiden Corkery. And these are the campaigns, the campaign training videos to set up a campaign with the bots after you're done setting it up. And these are all very easy to follow, simple, and spelled out in plain English. And you go slowly through the entire process. You don't get left behind. You don't get left in the dust. It's all spelled out for you. Now, here are the upgrades. This is the entry level fee that I was talking about earlier, and here are the upgrades. Now, this is the done for you digital product, where he does most of the hard work for you, the more technical stuff. He takes care of that. This is the second upgrade. This is the buyer extractor case studies. Shows you how to find the best buyers, find the best traffic. The third upgrade, he basically sets everything up for you all the setting of the bot, correlating between it and your WordPress site, etc. And finally, the best one, I got this, there's no shame in getting this, where not only does he set everything up, but he coaches you. You get in touch with Aiden Corkery directly, and he coaches you step by step. Not just setting up the bot or the campaign, but also after that, you get his contact info to get in touch with him through ManyChat. And any technical question, no matter how small or how confused you are, he will take the time to answer your question. It's worth it because he knows what he's doing, and there's no shame in getting this. It saves you a lot of money. Time is money, and this just removes so much of the hard work, so you can skip all of it, save a lot of time, and get in touch with Aiden. And it's very helpful, very, very useful. Now, if you get this through me, you will qualify for my exclusive bonuses. That's including over-the-shoulder step-by-step tutorial for Enigma, Octane, Invisible, and several others. My Super Affiliate Rolodex Arsenal for 2020. That's over 20 different products. How to become a super affiliate in 2020 and beyond. How you can make an extra $500 a week using nothing but free tools. Check out my $1,000 in 2 days case study and just follow these simple steps. How I made $500 commissions in just 7 days using one free traffic source. And as 2 bonuses I included specifically for this one, tailor-made for VIP traffic bots, Crazy Traffic Explosion. This is a free source of traffic for your bot once you get it all set up, either with or without the aforementioned upgrades. And Free Traffic Frenzy. Again, another source of traffic. This is also a $19.95 value, which is absolutely free through me. And yeah, that's it. This is basically all you need to set everything up, get traffic to your bot, and start making money as soon as possible. Well, thank you for taking a look, and I'll see you inside the club.